electricity meter. In this video then we're going to be upsizing a bit to the industrial size, and what we're looking at there is the Sangamo Weston S301.1. This is a 3-phase 4-wire instrument, and it is 3 times 240 volts, 3 times 50 amps, 50 Hz alternation frequency. 3-phase 4-wire, and the load wheel speed on this one is 40 revs per kWh. This one also features the float-on magnetic bearing, and this one has the clock dials on it. And we shall now zoom in on this instrument. This one is quite large. There it is. With this one then, it has a load wheel in the centre there, surrounded by a frame in which the accuracy magnets are accommodated. This one also has an adjuster screw on that frame, just there at the bottom, and this instrument is made in Enfield, Middlesex in England. There was no number on this one when I received it, and also there was no reading on it either. I have reason to believe that this instrument was set up and calibrated ready for use, but it was never put into service. I did have some. They were uncrimped. There were anti-tamper seals on this instrument, but they were uncrimped. So I've got reason to believe that this one was calibrated and put on the shelf ready to go into service, but it was never put into service. And it just remained there on the shelf for a little while, and then the electricity board started transitioning over to electronic instruments, and this electricity meter never got to see service. So it was removed from the storage shelf that it was placed on and then put up for sale. That is when I acquired it, and upon opening the box in which it was packaged, the instrument was in there in a bag, and there was anti-tamper seals on it, but they were uncrimped, so there was no embossing marks in them, and also there was no numbering on it, so I don't know the age of this instrument. In another video, on another day, what I would like to do is get this one in front of the camera again, but wired up, and we'll be able to watch the load wheel go around in there and get it registering a load on the readout. Another thing I would like to do, because it has been some years since it was accuracy tested, would be to give it another accuracy test to see if it's holding out its accuracy for the amount of time that I've owned this instrument.